Let's do some real-time tidying up of my craft room. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and it has been a busy day of filming around here. I have a Cricut project working, lots of stickers being made, lots of things going on. The Great British Bake Off is on TV, but it is time to get this place cleaned up so I can do some editing. And I thought I would bring you all along in a real-time clean with me to show you how I tidy up my space in the midst of many, many projects. So buckle up, grab yourself a drink, maybe do a little cleaning along with me, and let's get this place tidied up. Okay, first things first, I'm going to clean up my desk area. I have these two lights that I use for filming. I'm going to turn those off and kind of put them to the side just a bit so we can clear off the rest. I actually just got my Happy Mail from the Happy Planner. Oh, here's my filming. We're going to just put this up out of the way. I just got Happy Mail from the Happy Planner. It is the new sticker books that I ordered as part of the spring release. I'm super excited about them. I'm going to go ahead and open the box and get these over on a tray. I use the We Are Memory Keepers tray cart or project cart, I think they call it, in order to organize things for videos. And I do want to do a video unboxing a ton of new sticker books. I went a little crazy, did a little therapy shopping. I haven't ordered from the Happy Planner in a long time, but picked up a ton of the new sticker books that I am excited to check out and flip through. So we're going to do that in a bit, but let's just empty the box, move these over here. I have an order from Kelva Plan also to unbox later, but I'm just going to get these on the cart as I mess up the tray. Let me just move this tray back. I'm going to get these on the cart because this is kind of a to be filmed. It's kind of a staging place for projects. I love the We Are Memory Keepers project cart. I feel like it does such a good job in pulling together supplies when you are mid-project. Okay, let me clear out this box and then we'll keep cleaning up. Okay, I always keep a trash can right next to me as I'm filming, so I have that there. I need to clear out, these are brand new sticker books and goodies from Wrong Wrong. Those need to get put away. This is a spread that I just made that needs to go back into my planner. So we'll get that cleaned up, put away. Whenever I do unboxings, those tend to be some of the messiest videos. I would say the messiest videos that I do are custom planner spreads because those, I get out all of the different things for those. They tend to get a little bit out of control. And I do so many at one time, the place gets crazy. But unboxings are probably right after that. Down below is where I keep all of the things I use for staging photos, have poster boards, all of those goodies get put away in different areas. This is all my must-haves, adhesive, that goes over here as well. And last but not least, let's pick up the white poster board. That is what I use for filming backdrop. I always do poster board because it is less expensive and because I like to do mixed media. It gets messy and I end up messing up surfaces for videos. And if I mess up a poster board, I can toss it and get a new one. So poster board gone, desk almost clear. Let's put the stickers and planner away and check out another part of the room. Okay, over here is not so bad. I'm in the midst of cutting out a bunch of stickers for my Patreon members. So those actually have to stay out and open because that's going to be going all day long. I do have a little bit of trash to clean up. So again, back into the trash can. I also am in the middle of packaging product. So when I create planner inserts, I actually order the inserts from a company to be printed but they come to my studio and I punch every single insert and I package every single insert so that I can keep it affordable. So that needs to be done still, and I'll be working on that today, but I have all of the different packaging. I'm actually going to take a look and figure out what, okay, I have these that need to be done. I'm going to move those to my desk actually, because those are coming up later. It's on my to-do list today. I'm going to keep clearing off. I have my board out for cutting. Then we have some stickers. Let's get those put away as well. These are all samples of new product. I'm actually going to put those, again, that project cart, I'm going to take you over and show it to you as I put these away, because it helps me out so much for gathering things, staging things. I still have to do a little bit of filming with new product, and then I need to get it put away. That's more of a process, so we're going to take this over to the cart and get it all cleaned up. Let me grab my stack. Let's go. Okay, so this is my project cart. As you can see, I have a shipment from CalvaPlan. That's where I put all those Happy Planner sticker books. And then I have two different groupings of things. I have new dashboards that I need to work with a little bit, and then some new products. So we're going to put those on the different trays. I love the different trays because when you're in the midst, sometimes it feels really hard to clean up, to change things up in your space. And I still like things to keep and stay tidy. So these trays help me out a whole lot when I'm in the middle of a project. All right, so there are a few more things that I need to tidy up in this space. I have a bunch of CalvaPlan sticker books. I need a new sticker container. I don't have it right now, but let's tidy these up, get them over here. A few sticker books to put away. Let's organize some CalvaPlan ones here. Wrong sticker book to go back in its bin. I have my two current planners. Work and catch all. Those are going to go on my computer desk, which is back over here. Get that organized. A water bottle that can get cleared off. Now this feels so good. So we're going to move this over here. A few other things. This is packaging. Like I said, I package all of the planner inserts that I sell. This has a home. It needs to live there. And then just a few more things. Let's straighten up my shipping station. My backpack is out because so often I am working on the go with kids' activities, taking projects with me, but let's just update the backpack. Make sure it has what it needs, has pencils in there, it has my laptop holder. That's pretty important, but there are some sticker books that need to come out of the backpack. I'm going to zip the backpack up, put it away, and put these sticker books away also. All right, like I said, I'm in the middle of processing new product, which is all in these boxes. They stay in the boxes until I take them out and I punch them and I package them. But I was pulling random things out. I need to get these back in a box and get them lined up so that I can continue that process tonight. So we're just going to get it, I don't know, kind of put back to where it was in a way. Without damaging the product. That's pretty darn important. Let me move these around. I definitely just tore into these boxes earlier. looking for certain things, and now I need to make sure that things get put back in a nice and clean way. We'll put this over here. I'm going to line. These boxes are heavy, as so many of you guys told me. I definitely know paper gets heavy in boxes really fast. That I know for sure. Shift all of this around. Those are all lined up for me to work on later. And now I have more trash, more bubble wrap, more things to throw away. Let's do it. All right, so my last step today is going to be to empty this garbage bin that is overflowing, and there's even some trash on the floor. Let's clear out the garbage, start fresh, and then the space, oh my goodness, should fill. Does this happen to anyone else? It sticks. Garbage out, new trash bag in, and now it's all fresh, ready to go. Let me go put this somewhere else. All right, so that's it. That's my mid-project tidying up. It does feel good to clean up your space. It's not perfect. There are still things out because, like I said, I am mid-creating. I am mid-week. But a nice tidy session feels good. Hopefully this video inspired you to start tidying up your space. It does feel like a refresh and gets you excited to create and make it all messy all over again. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you all so much for your support. If you want to find out more about Patreon, the extra perks and videos and printables and all the goodies, all the good things that happen over there, you can head on over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife. All right. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.